Why, hello, Internet. There's something I'd like to know. What if Vegeta decided to create a Neo Vegeta in Universe 7, and he traveled to Universe 6, and he convinced some of the Saiyans to come over to Universe 7 in this new planet, kind of like how in Dragon Ball GT, maybe Vegeta wishes for a new planet Tuffle to be created. What if we wished for a new planet Vegeta that could be created in the habitable zone of some star? Or just, what if they just try to find an island or a planet that was kind of viable? Oh my god, Saiyan colony on Mars, please, yes, please. Yes, Dragon Ball Z terraforms Mars now, please. If we could have Vegeta convince some of the Saiyans from Universe 6 to come over to this Neo planet called to restart the Saiyan race, because Vegeta feels pride for being a Saiyan, and he thinks that the Saiyan race was led to extinction too soon. We could be a really amazing force to be reckoned with. So what happens is Vegeta decides he wants to make this new planet, and he's gonna, with the help of the Universe 6 Saiyans, he decides he doesn't necessarily want to name it after himself because it's not for him, it's for the new Saiyan race. So he calls it Neo Sadala. And so the premise is that he managed to round up a harem of Saiyan women to this new planet, and he will take his family there too eventually, to rebuild and reestablish the Saiyan race and the Saiyan civilization back to its glory. Oh, by the way,